As a mom, I felt that there was no brand that I could trust in the early years of my child's life. And that's how I started thinking about this space and thought that there is a big gap in the market and wanted to build a brand. With Shumee, we are bringing back the joy of playing through our sustainable and handmade, made in India toys. All the materials that we use for our products are safe and non-toxic. They have no plastics, no batteries. So everything that we design and make at Shumee is ready to go global. We chose to be on Amazon because Amazon has a deep penetration. It is a great marketplace to be on, and we thought our target audience is on Amazon. We are very excited to be a part of the season 2 of Amazon Global Selling Propel Accelerator program. We believe that it's a right program for helping brands like us who also want to grow themselves in India and in the global markets. We are already in the US and UAE, but being on this program will give us deeper insights into these different markets and also help us understand how we can take our brand from this level to the next level of growth.